Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find archived chats on the Messenger app using your PC. With the latest update, this process has become even smoother. So, if you've ever wondered where those hidden conversations went, stick around as we walk through the steps together. First up, let's open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. The interface is user-friendly and you'll be up and running in no time. Now, once you're in, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons, each representing different features of Messenger. The key to accessing your archived chats is the little archive chat icon. It looks like a box or a folder. Click on that icon, and you'll be taken to your archived conversations. At this point, you'll have a clear view of all your archived chats. This feature is perfect for decluttering your main chat list while still keeping important conversations easily accessible. Now, if you're looking for a specific chat, scroll through the list. Depending on how many conversations you've archived, it might take a moment to find the one you want. To make things easier, you can use the search bar at the top. Just type in the name of the person or the keywords from the chat, and Messenger will help you locate it quickly. Once you find the chat you're looking for, just click on it, and it'll open right up. You can jump back into the conversation, respond, or even unarchive it if you wish. And there you have it. Finding archived chats on the Messenger app for PC is a breeze with these simple steps. Remember, keeping your chat list organized helps you focus on what matters most. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps.